Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Giordano. I hope you all had a nice weekend. Happy Monday. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about color poems. And I wanted to show you how you can write a color poem. So let me switch my page. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Color poems. A color poem is about a single color. Many times it is written using the 5 senses. So taste, smell, hearing, seeing, and feeling. Okay, so those are our 5 senses. So you're going to pick a color that is your favorite color, and then we're going to create a poem. So let's take a look. Okay, so a color poem is about one color. So you're going to pick that color, and then you're going to write a poem using your favorite color, thinking about all those 5 senses. Okay, so what it looks like, what it sounds like, what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it feels like. Those are all the 5 senses. Okay, so let me show you what I did for mine today. Purple's my favorite color, so I chose purple. Okay, purple looks like grapes. Purple sounds like children giggling. Purple smells like flowers. Purple tastes like a plum. And purple feels like a soft, fluffy blanket on a winter day. So you're now going to go into your writer's notebooks and you're going to brainstorm your ideas just like this in your notebook using your 5 senses. And then you can go into Seesaw and either use the template in there or just write it in your notebook, and that is fine, and make sure to upload it for your teachers. We can't wait to see all your color poems. Have a good day.